Alright, so I thought I'd come out of the garage because it is like -4 in there and dripping wet everywhere. So for this video, I'm going to show you I could have possibly found the cheapest arc welder on the net. Now, I'm not going to tell you where I've got this from, but I'm going to guess that you'll be able to figure it out pretty quick when I say China. So I saw this and I've got my big one in there. This is an arc welder, so it probably won't. I didn't really see that, but anyway, we'll gloss over that. I'm going to be doing some work on my motorbike trailer in the coming weeks when it gets a bit warmer, and I need a little portable welder because that big thing in there weighs 42,000 tons and it's horrible. So we're going to get into this. We're going to see. Only thing I want to know is if it switches on. That's it, and if it actually is what it says, because on the box there's welding machine. Got a little product name tag here, it says commercial barrel vacuum cleaner, so we can only imagine what's actually in here, so let's get into it. It does feel quite heavy though, and wow, I weren't expecting, I was expecting it being the actual thing, so I don't actually know what I bought. I'll put an image up if I can figure out how to on TikTok of what it should look like. Put in this nice little carry case. Just want to clarify, I'm not sponsored by the way. So let's open her up and if we can. Oh, that's a tough one. Alright, so let's open her up and see what's inside. It says it's safe, so that's good. Oh wow, that's cute actually, I like that. I don't know what this will actually weld, or if it'll weld anything, but as we can see, Jesus, I know not about welders and I don't think this will actually do anything. Let's be quite fair. Pair of gloves, oh actually my size, baby hands. Who's going to weld with this, a toddler? They're actually quite cool gloves though, them. I might take them to work. UK plug, which is always good. Yeah, I'm not going to be putting that on my face. Looks like something you'd see on Hostel or something. Yeah, that's not for me. We'll not be using that one because I did buy that big one in there. So I have to brush up on my welding thing because I'm not a welder. So, I mean, I know that's a wire brush, but I don't know what that thing's for. So if you can comment down below, help a newbie out. Possibly an handle of sorts, maybe. Okay, I should really read the instructions, but nah, we're not doing that. Well, eye goggle things for mask, like I said, we're not going to be using that though. In the bag we have, this thing's just falling apart all over. That goes on there. So I have no idea. I thought it'd be like a thing, so I'm going to have to actually Google how to use one of these, I think. Oh, I think I get it. That's got to go in there, right? Is it? No? Or that? We can only figure it out, can't we, as we go along? But I will figure out how to use an arc welder eventually. So, we get 5 rods. We get the clip you need to put onto metal. Now I know about this, I'm actually quite proud of myself. So obviously when you're welding, you said this is that actual welder gun thing. Could actually be a welder gun. Anyway, so obviously if I wanted to weld a piece of metal like this, as far as I'm aware, the closer you get to what you're welding, the current's better. I do know that. But if I'm wrong, please tell me. I'll watch some tutorial videos on how to weld. But yeah, we have whatever this thing is, so we'll go plug it in and see if we actually get some power. So we've got it plugged into the wall. Obviously this is the voltage, I'm guessing, on how much I want it to penetrate. So as you can see, I need something for comparison. Everybody knows how big a coffee thing is. That's pretty much how big it is. Now if this works, if this actually really good and worked, which I won't find out until summer because I'm not playing about with this when it's like that outside, because it's damn cold. So what I'm going to do now is switch it on at wall and see if we get anything. See if it makes a noise, see if it blows me up, see if it sends house up in smoke. So I'm going to switch it on. And nothing. You know, it might be a, oh, dumbass. There's a switch at back, isn't there? I'm sure I've seen bloody switches somewhere. I've seen it. Switches there at back. So what I'm going to do, because they scare the shit out of me, is just take them out a minute. I'm going to try again. Now I've took them out, because I don't want to end up welding it to the floor or something. So we're going to turn it on at wall. And there's a little button at the back here. We've got power. $250. Oh. So yeah. And if any of my friends see this and want to borrow it, see if it works, they absolutely can, but I'm actually excited to use this instantly. But yeah, that's the portable welder I got off a well-known site. So anyway, that is the little MMA 250 portable welder that I paid, I think it was $24.99. I don't know if it were on offer, but for dearer, I wouldn't have paid any more than that for it, but actually quite cool and in my favourite colour. Alright, let's catch you in the next one.